Hello and welcome to my second speed painting video. There's a few improvements to this one. We have natural lighting, different angles and close-ups, and still some weird non-copyrighted ambient background music that's super hard to choose. I thought this one said pizza. Why does this outlaw take so long to say goodbye? I also learned in the other video that you don't see any of me except for my hands, so I'm not wearing any pants for this recording. In my previous painting, it was mostly black, so I had to worry about painting over my lines with the darker paint and not being able to see them anymore. This painting has the opposite problem. Because it's so light, you can still see the grid through one coat of paint. So here I am painting white over the grids before I start the actual painting. It's a little boring, so I'll speed it up. If you look at my cat's face, she has so many different colors and patterns, and it's very beautiful. What sucks is she has so many different colors and patterns, and it's really beautiful, and I have to figure out what to put where to make it look like her on the painting. I chose the other cat first because it was just black and white, and so it was easy to shade and paint because there's only two colors, and since it was my first speed painting, I figured I'd do something easy so I'd actually complete it and not give up halfway through on either painting or recording. you so much for watching. If you want, I have one other video that I made before this if you want to click on that link, and hopefully I will be making another one soon. Bye!